Perched on a rocky cliffside overlooking the emerald-green Neretva River, the historic town of Počitelj stands as a monumental open-air museum. Its crown jewel is the Počitelj Citadel, a fortress whose stone walls whisper tales of kings, empires, and resilience. The fortress was founded around 1383 by the Bosnian king Tvrđavi I. Its primary purpose was strategic, to control the vital merchant route between the Bosnian inland and the Adriatic Sea, which ran through the valley of the Neretva River. For a brief period, the citadel housed a Hungarian garrison, but after a short siege in 1471, it fell to the Ottoman Empire, beginning a new chapter that would last for over 4 centuries. Under Ottoman rule, Počitelj evolved from a purely military stronghold into a vibrant administrative and cultural center. The Ottomans greatly extended the fortifications and developed the settlement below, adorning it with characteristic public buildings. The fortress itself was enlarged and fortified with a stronger defensive system, eventually including a square tower, 2 bastions, a granary, and the unique water tower cistern. While the citadel provided defense, the town below flourished with stunning architecture. The classical Shisman Ibrahim Pasha Mosque, built in 1563, a Muslim religious school, a public hammam, a clock tower, and a historic inn were erected, creating a unique urban blend of medieval and Ottoman styles. This fusion is also visible in the residential houses, which combine Mediterranean stonework with Oriental features like hipped roofs and oriel windows. The fortress lost its strategic importance after the Austro-Hungarian occupation in 1878, which led to a period of decline, but also helped preserve its original form. However, the 1990s war brought severe damage to the historic town. In 1996, Počitelj was declared one of the world's 100 most endangered cultural heritage sites, leading to extensive restoration programs that have worked to return its historic essence. Today, Počitelj is not only a protected national monument, but also holds a place on UNESCO's tentative list. It hosts the longest operating art colony in Southeast Europe, ensuring that its legacy continues to inspire. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.